Hi, it's Julia with Mom and Pop Shop, and today we are going to be doing Popeye Anytime Pops. Now, I like to put a little bit of vegetables in my popsicles, so I got some spinach, and we're going to do strawberries, and to sweeten them, we're going to do dates. Now, a little tip with dates are I like to soak them in water overnight, so it kind of softens them up so they're easier to blend. And there's no perfect combination, it's kind of just what you want. If you want it more strawberry or more spinachy or more dates, you can just adjust to what kind of flavor. So I'm just going to grab some strawberries. And then I'm going to choose some spinach. And if you want, you can kind of break it up a little bit further. It might help your blender. And then I'm just going to add a few dates. And it's that simple. So, very important to put this on first. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now, a little shake. Now we're just gonna add them to our ice tray. Now, a fun little thing to do is kind of make Ladybug ice tray pops. And you can put little blueberries in the tray. And when it freezes, it kind of looks like little polka dots. Give it a good shake. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just smooth it out. And another little tip and trick that I like is using frozen vegetables or fruit as your sticks. So here we have some string beans, and I love frozen string beans. When I was a kid, I used to eat them as a snack. So it's one of the great things to use as sticks. And then I'm going to go ahead and put them in the freezer, and we will see them again in 6 hours. Don't those look wonderful? So you got a little ladybug resting on a stick, and they're super yummy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and visit our website to download these recipes and tips.